Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get spider 26, 27, 31, and 35 in Geometry Dash. So let's first start with the step number 1, which is to check your spider icons. So just open your icon kit and navigate to the spider icon section. So in here, you will see the spider icons 26, 27, 31, and 35. As you can see in here, they are all locked. So these icons are unlocked through map packs completions. So next is access to the map packs. So just go to the map pack section from the main menu. So each map pack contains 3 levels and rewards you with unique icons upon completion. So just look for packs with that reward spider icons. Next up is complete the map packs level. So play through the required map packs levels to unlock each spider icon. So you will need to beat all 3 levels in a pack to claim your reward. So the completion screen shows your stars earned. So as you can see it in here. So next step is unlock your spider icons. So after completing the required map packs, your spider icons will unlock the celebration animation. So each icon has a unique design with cool spider features, as you can see. Lastly is collect all spider icons. So check your kit to confirm spider icons 26, 27, 31, and 35. And they are all locked with a green check mark. So what you're going to do next is equip your favorite and teleport through levels in style. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!